Well, what a beautiful day. As Solana is down approximately 77% since the beginning of 2022. More drama for Terra Luna, as apparently there was a bunch of insider trading occurring. Plus, we have an OpenSea employee that just got indicted. Plus, Craig Wright is back. Let's get it, babes. Show everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok for more. So this is the crypto bubbles market cap chart. And it's super cute, look at. But again, mostly everything is in the red. And that is because Miss B is currently trading at approximately $30,000. However, one positive thing we see here is we could potentially have a green candle. This is fine with me just as long as we hold above this area at about 26.7. But on the weekly, let's take a look at Market Cipher. We have RSI and MFI heading downward, but we do have a nice little uptick with this cloud. But we did print a red bottom over here, which indicates nothing looking too terribly great. Now, this is my long-term play that I'm thinking is going to happen with Bitcoin. I think that we will have a beautiful melt up, hopefully end of July, kiss a high of maybe $40,000, and then go into a full-blown crypto bear market. And when I talk about bear market, that is just mass capitulation down in this lower area here, maybe at about $12,000. Maybe we'll get a swing low down to $9,000. Who knows yet? Anyways, taking a look at the beautiful 12-hour chart. Just a whole lot of more consolidation, except the difference here is that we did consolidate above 31.4 for quite some bit, but we can see these two swing wick highs show failure and we're back down. However, we did find support at $29,000. So for me, again, I need to see us get back above $31,000. If we do not, then a bearish retest of 28.5 and then move down to about $26,000. Now, I don't know if you guys know who Craig Wright is or not, but let's talk about it because it's important. Craig Wright stated that he created Bitcoin, which in fact, many people say he didn't. I don't think he did. I actually know one of the first miners and I got confirmation it was not Craig Wright. But basically what he's going to be doing, and the reason why the lawsuit against him and my dear friend Peter McCormick is so important is because if Craig Wright is able to prove in the court that he is Satoshi, he is going to get control over all the open source that has to go with Bitcoin, the white paper, domain names, etc. So please pay attention to this and understand how important true decentralization is, and also the identity of Satoshi not being Craig Wright. Now, let's take a look at my good friend, Mr. Jeff, who also happens to be an attorney and amazing artist. So there was a viral story that went out yesterday regarding OpenSea employee charged with insider trading via NFTs, but he is stating that the title is clickbait. The employee is charged with wire fraud and money laundering, not insider trading. Insider trading rules apply when trading securities. Is an NFT a security? The prosecutors here have decided to avoid that question. So this is actually going to be a very revolutionary case when it comes to crypto. Because if they are going to state that NFTs are a security, then yes, it could be insider trading. However, basically what happened in this story here, according to Reuters, is basically what happened was he got news that different NFTs were going to be listed, bought and sold on that news. So it's kind of like insider trading, but you really can't call it that because are NFTs really considered a security or not? Anyways, let's take a look at Solana. I've got a moon bag of Solana and I actually bought more because I wanted to send it over to the Steppen app and try that out. But anyways, this is a story for another time. But here, Solana halted by bug linked to certain cold storage transactions. Validators restarted the network after 4 hours of downtime by disabling the so-called durable nonce transactions that have found favor among some exchanges. So basically Binance commented on this, a bunch of different exchanges commented on this, and the founder of Solana said that they're going to be implementing changes to solve this in the future. A lot of people like Solana because they state it is a direct competitor to Ethereum. Also, a lot of people that have invested in Solana have very, very deep pockets. And the stablecoin of choice on the Solana network, from what I have seen, has been USDC. And if we follow the money with that, we know that BlackRock is invested. So I do think that they will get this fixed, but at the same time, it's kind of annoying because when the entire network is down, it's down. You can't use it. You can't trade NFTs. You can't trade Solana. You can't participate in things happening in the Solana ecosystem. Now, as far as price goes with Solana, this is the daily chart. We hit the peak high here, about $57, and now we're currently trading at approximately $40. We did have a little bit of a bounce here at this lower support at $37 and got bought up. But we're currently testing some resistance at $39.78. Taking a look at our indicators, MACD is not looking too terribly strong, but we definitely could have bottomed out. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour chart, let's see if we can see anything interesting there. 4-hour chart shows a nice little bounce, but we're having a little bit of issues. RSI is flat, but MACD looks like it wants a bull cross and head up. So I personally would like to see Solana over $43. Now, let's talk about what's happening with Terra 2.0 and Kwon, because he is in big trouble as Binance investigates serious fraud accusations. Interesting thing about Binance is a lot of these exchanges, I feel like we're kind of in on this whole entire thing. But there's a gentleman or a person on twitter.com known as Fat Man Terras, and he has basically posted a lot of different things about Terra Luna and Kwon. So basically, they have a bunch of issues. They're being investigated. They were also caught sending money different places. Let's go ahead and read what some of this states. So, Fat Man previously accused Terra and its CEO of manipulating the prices of UST and Luna by paying various cryptocurrency exchanges and third-party operators, which resulted in users suffering from massive losses. They also said Kwon and other top Terra employees have been earning jaw-dropping farming rewards from unencumbered via insider trading, tokenomic adjustments, and barriers to entry. That makes a lot of sense. Another crazy thing that happened is when they did the drop, a lot of people with the smaller wallets, they didn't get what they were actually owed. And I bet if we go back and we do all the blockchain analytics, we're going to be able to track everything and see, in fact, that a lot of the top holders got taken care of while the lower holders did not. Again, I am not touching Terra Luna. I'm not touching any of the derivatives, whatever it is. I don't think it is a good idea. But if you guys want to, that is your business. Also, too, thank you so much for stopping by, and a friendly reminder. I am going to be checking my fuzzles to see what I got once I get a little bit of time. Today is hectic, and you guys, please make sure to try to learn the importance of self-custody, not your keys, not your coins. And again, I've moved all of my coins, except for the small balances, to some of the top crypto exchanges I think will sustain: Coinbase, FTX, and Gemini. Thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.